Hi there, I'm Jess, and this is my cute sidekick, Cliff. We're going to walk you through the steps on how to use your brand new dishwasher. First, load the dishwasher. Scrape off any excessive food. Then, securely place dishware in between the tines in the racks. For some models, you can adjust rack height or fold down tines depending on the size of objects. Use the third rack for spatulas, smaller things, or silverware, in addition to the basket on the lower rack. Don't let items protrude through the racks. It could block the wash arms. Also, make sure not to block the detergent dispenser with tall items. Now that it's loaded, add detergent to the main wash compartment. If you're running a rinse cycle, do not use detergent because this cycle is meant for rinsing dishes with water only. To enhance dry performance, add rinse aid to the rinse agent dispenser. Add it slowly to allow it to settle. You can increase the amount being released during the cycle by turning the lever. Yes, clockwise. When full, it will last approximately 1 month. Now that we have everything loaded, let's use the control panel to choose a cycle. Simply press select to scroll through the cycle options. Lastly, select desired options like Dry Boost and Sanitize to optimize wash performance. Did you know adding Dry Boost gets your dishes up to 3 times drier than heated dry? So you can ditch the dish towel and sanitize unwanted slobber. Press start to get washing. And if you forget something, pause the dishwasher by slowly opening the door, load the item, and press start to continue the wash. For additional information, reference the Use and Care manual.